Yo, Eddie here. So basically, before this video starts, all I want to say is that, guys, I'm giving away keyboards, mouses, PC gaming PC cables like VGAs, because when you play with the HDMI, it's kind of laggy and your FPS is very low. I know what I played with the HDMI, it was very low. Giving mics away, you know, all those type of things. Any gaming sources, whatever. Just all you have to do is subscribe to Myst Clipz. Link will be in the description. Subscribe to him. Like this video. Comment when done, and then you'll be entered in the giveaway. But yeah, guys, the video is gonna enter. Roll the entire video. Peace. As another title says, that the Brutus minigun is actually overpowered, and I'm god with it. But just wait, like in the game, because I landed at retail. But then later in the game, I'll go to the grotto to get the minigun. But yeah, guys, sorry that you heard like some background noise about my keyboard. It's just that my mic was on and my mic is kind of terrible. I'm gonna fix my Yeti mic. Don't worry. So yeah, guys, stay tuned for the video. Crap, I missed like fucking a million shots. Holy shit. How many fucking shots do I have to shoot just to kill one guy? In all seriousness, like when I was actually playing, I was legit about to break my freaking mouse. Seriously, I'm legit better off just doing the fucking shotgun only challenge. Like, I'm telling you, bro. Before I killed that guy, I was shaking so hard. I thought he was about to fucking kill me. I was legit like at 49 HP, bro. Fucking retarded aim. I could legit just finish Brutus off and then dress up as a henchman. I'm so retarded, I swear to God. Oh my god, when I was playing, I started laughing so hard that I almost exited out of the helicopter. Thank you guys for watching so much. Make sure to do what I said earlier in the video. Subscribe to Myst Clip. His channel will be in the description, the link. Like this video, comment when done, in order to win free keyboards, free mice, free mouses, gaming sources, game PC cables, all that. You know, keyboards like this, or mouses like this, or even controller like this, you know. So yeah guys, I'm out, and I just finished editing the video right now, 12 o'clock in the morning. I'm very tired. Good night. Love you all. If you're a boy, you know homo. I'm out.